If you look the right way, you can see that the whole world is a garden. If you can quit, quit. If you can't quit, stop complaining. This is what you choose. A pleasant morning to all. I am Danya of class 10 standing as a representative for today's assembly. It does not matter how long you are spending on the earth, how much money you have gathered or how much attention you have received. It is the amount of positive vibration you have radiated in life that matters. We the students of class 10 take this opportunity to make this day a memorable one. We now start a new day by remembering the Almighty and a few words from our friends.
I am Shriya of 10th Orchids. Prayer. Jnananandamayam devam nirmalaspadikakrutam Adaram Sharva Vidyanam Hayagrivo Vasmahe. School prayer. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. Where the knowledge is free. Where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls. Where words come out from the depth of truth. Where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection. Where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habits. Where the mind is led forward by thee into ever-widening thought and action, into the heaven of freedom, my Father, let my country awake. உள்ளமெல்லாம் உன்னொளி படர ஊரெல்லாம் முன்புகழ் பாட பாரெங்கும் மக்கள் நல்வாழும் மலர நாங்கள் உன்னை துதிக்கிறோம் நட்பன் பாடி. Now this prayer will be continued with Tirukural by Divyesh of 10th Carnation and Hindi taught by Siddharth of 10th Carnations.
வணக்கம். இன்றைய திருக்குறளும் அதன் விளக்கமும். பிரிவு பொருட்பால் அதிகாரம் 11 செய்நன்றி அறிதல். குறள் எண் 102. குறள் காலத்தினால் செய்த நன்றி சிறிதெனினும் ஞானத்தின் மானப்பெரிது. விளக்கம் தேவைப்படும் காலத்தில் ஒருவன் செய்த உதவி சிறிதளவாக இருந்தாலும் அதன் தன்மையை ஆராய்ந்தால் உலகத்தை விட மிக பெரியதாகும். நன்றி.
नमस्ते. एक महान दृष्टिकोण एक महान दिन बन जाता है, जो एक महान वर्ष बन जाता है. रव्य की कमजोरी चरित्र की कमजोरी बन जाती है, इसलिए सकारात्मक रहें. अपने मूल्यों को सकारात्मक रखें, क्योंकि आपके मूल्य ही आपके भाग्य बन जाता है. A great attitude becomes a great day, which becomes a great year. Weakness of your attitude is the weakness of your character, so be positive. Keep your values positive, because your values makes your destiny. Thank you. Dhanyavad.
Hi, I'm Sanya of 10th Orchids. I'm here to talk about positive thinking. Positive thinking helps us to remove the stress and overcome the negativity. The positive thinker sees the invisible, feels the intangible, and achieves the impossible. Your mind can change your entire life. If you don't like something, change it. If you can't change it, change the way you think about it. Happy people think about what they want and how to get it most of the time. In this way, they change their entire life. So think positive and positive things will happen to you. Thank you. Now, my friend Shreya will continue with the benefits of the lockdown period.
Good morning. I am Shreya of class 10 Orchids, standing here to give you a few ways in which the lockdown has benefited the families. We never imagined that we would have to be stuck inside for so long. However, this time has also given us the opportunity to rekindle the relationships we lost with our family. The lockdown has given us a chance to go back to the days when family time was the most important time of the day. Here are a few ways in which this lockdown has benefited the families. Family meal time. Sitting together during the meals was the most important thing that we stopped doing. However, with the lockdown and all the family members at home, the tradition of eating together is back. Board games are back. We spent our childhood with these games, but never got the time to sit and enjoy them when we grew up. And now they have made a grand re-entrance into our lives this lockdown. Be it physically, playing with our families, or virtually with our friends, we are enjoying our childhood again. Extra time for hobbies. There has always been so much you wanted to do, but never got the time to do so. It is time to bring out the artist in you and spend time with your hobbies that you were missing. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, my friends. Keep your face always towards the sunshine and the shadow will fall behind you. Positive attitude brings positive vibes in our life. We can't always have a good day, but you can always face a bad day with a good attitude. Life is like a game of chess. To win, you have to make a move, knowing which move to make comes with insight and knowledge. And by learning the lessons that are accumulated along the way, we become each and every piece within the game called life. We thank our correspondent sir and our principal ma'am for giving us these wonderful opportunities to let out our talents. We meet you back on the next week. Thank you and stay safe.
Yes, it is true, Danya. Now we have the closing prayer of our today's assembly. Loka samasta sugino bhavantu. Loka samasta sugino bhavantu. Loka samasta sugino bhavantu.